If you're anything like me, which I think you probably are because you're here, you've probably struggled with consistency. If you've started routines that just fall apart or tried to build habits that just break immediately, it doesn't mean something's wrong with you. It means the systems you were handed do not fit the way you think and work. That's what we're going to change right now. Most systems that promised consistency are built on rigidity. Same steps, same time, every single day. For a lot of people, especially creatives, neurodivergent minds, people who think in layers, those systems break down and fast. Not because you failed, but because the systems don't match your brain. Here's what science tells us. Your brain might work on irregular dopamine rhythms. That means ordinary routines do not always trigger motivation like they do for neurotypical thinkers. You might experience differences in executive function. Sequencing and sustaining attention takes more effort, especially when a task feels random or disconnected from your purpose. Your nervous system might be interest activated. That means it's easier to stay connected when there's a purpose, a novelty, or an emotional connection, not just repetition. When a system forces you to operate within the same structure, using the same steps every day, without leaving space for your real energy, your shifting focus, your need for purpose or flow, you hit friction. You fall behind, you feel like you failed, and the whole system collapses. The problem wasn't you, it was a mismatch between system and mind. Consistency doesn't have to mean rigid routines. It can mean small, flexible anchors. Tiny starting points that help you stay connected to what matters, even when your energy or your life shifts. That's what we're building here. Small, AI-supported rituals that help you begin, because starting is usually the hardest part. That flex with your focus and energy. That shift the goal from perfect habit to sustainable rhythm. That reduce mental load by giving you a gentle guide. Think back to a time when consistency broke down for you. What system or routine were you trying to follow? What part of it pushed against how you actually work? Write it down somewhere. That will clue us in to how to build something better. Next, you'll build your first consistency-supporting microsystem, a small, flexible ritual that helps you stay in motion with clarity and self-kindness. Let's keep going.